Pitt's India Act of 1784. This act was passed by the British Parliament to amend and refine the regulatory framework for the administration of British India. The full name of the act is An Act for the Better Regulation of the Affairs of the East India Company and of the British Possessions in India, and for the due administration of justice in Bengal. The Pitt's India Act of 1784 made several significant changes to the governance of British India, including 1. Dual control. The Act introduced a system of dual control over the East India Company's territories. It established a board of control in England, consisting of 6 members from the British government. This board had the authority to supervise and direct the company's affairs in India. Thus, it established a system of double government. 2. Board of Directors. The existing Court of Directors of the East India Company continued to exist, but its powers were curtailed. The Board of Control could issue orders and instructions to the company's directors, who were required to obey them. 3. Governor-General. The Act strengthened the office of the Governor-General of Bengal by creating a Governor-General of India. The Governor-General had greater powers and authority over the other presidencies, Madras and Bombay, and could override their decisions in certain cases. 4. Financial control. The Act gave the British government more control over the company's financial affairs and required greater transparency in financial matters. The Pitt's India Act aimed to address some of the shortcomings and abuses that had arisen under the earlier Regulating Act of 1773. It sought to establish a more centralized and effective system of governance over British India, while also increasing the British government's oversight of the East India Company's operations.